In this video, I'll show you how to modify a document using DocuSign Edit in DocuSign CLM step by step so you can manage templates more efficiently. Start by logging into your DocuSign account and navigating to the Templates section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your saved templates. Find the document you want to edit, click on the three-dot menu next to it, and select Edit. This will open the document in an editable mode where you can update text, adjust fields, or modify any details as needed. Take your time to review changes carefully to maintain accuracy, especially for important agreements. Once you're done, make sure to save your updates so nothing is lost. This process helps keep your documents up to date without recreating them from scratch. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.